I served in the U.S. Navy for approximately 7 years, from 1995 to 2001. And I would say Mason and Hanger is patriotic to the extent that its employees are patriotic. I do get the sense that people here are proud to contribute their design expertise to government organizations that carry out our nation's diplomacy and national defense. I mean, I certainly feel that way. I stay close to the mission of building a more secure world by doing my best to understand what the end user needs to support their primary functions. As an engineer in the Navy, my job was to guide the careful selection of materials and constructions for seawater heat exchangers, which helped sailors do their jobs on submarines, but it also kept them safe. I think in my current job, I work at understanding the challenges that facility personnel face when operating their buildings, and I try to work closely with architects and engineers to make sure that they understand what we need to do to reduce energy consumption, but at the same time, keep the end user in mind. The most important things I learned in the military were the concept of responsibility and also effective communication. First, with responsibility in the nuclear Navy, it was really drilled home that responsibility is something that you take very seriously. You need to own everything you do and everything that you pass down for others to do. In the nuclear Navy, writing clearly was pretty much a religion, and it was drilled into us constantly that we had to be very clear in how we write, and that has helped me immeasurably in my career. I would recommend Mason and Hanger to a veteran because there's already a connection there to the client that they have from their prior experience. And they probably have a better than average understanding of how the government views contractors and manufacturers. When I was in the Navy, I was constantly in contact with manufacturers and contractors and designers, and now I'm on the other side of that, and I think that experience helped me greatly in this job. I love the people that I work with. I feel like they're conscientious and intelligent. That's really important to me. I also like taking lots of diverse information about buildings and how they operate and distilling that down into calculations and analyses that I can then present to clients. And I love figuring out how to make all of that information understandable to clients